Hi, my name is Vignesh and I'm the lead trainer here at HCAC Kids, and here are 3 reasons why you should sign up for HCAC Kids. A good speech and drama class fosters confidence, self-acceptance and empathy. These are valuable lifelong skills which can accompany any student no matter what goals they pursue in the future. Here at HCAC Kids, our classes are based around the UN Sustainable Goals. The children have been working very hard creating performances, writing scripts, and designing set and props revolving around the theme of no poverty. Using the 7 core values of our HCAC program, we strive to create an environment where children can learn about the world in a fun and light-hearted manner through drama. We are a gym for your child's creativity. So whether it be acting, writing or designing, we can explore what it means to not just be an actor, but a theatre maker. Join us for the next semester where we explore the theme of zero hunger.